Hello students, I hope all are you doing very well. In the last class, we have already discussed what is lifespan, what is reproduction and types of reproduction. So today we are going to start types of asexual reproduction. There are 6 types of asexual reproduction. The first is fission, second fragmentation, third budding, fourth regeneration, fifth spore formation, and sixth is vegetative propagation. So there are 6 types of asexual reproduction. The first is fission, fragmentation, budding, regeneration, spore formation, vegetative propagation. Now we are going to discuss in detail about fission. Generally, fission means splitting. That is, the splitting of parental cell into 2 or more daughter cell is called fission. The splitting of parental cell into 2 or more daughter cell is called fission. There are 2 types of fission. The first is binary fission and second is multiple fission. Fission means splitting, bi means 2. If parent cell divides into 2 cell, it is called binary fission. If parental cell divides into more than 2 cell, then it is called multiple fission. Multi means many, fission means splitting. First we discuss about binary fission. Binary fission, the definition of binary fission is the splitting of parental cell into 2 or the splitting of parental cell into 2 equal daughter cells, each of which rapidly grows into an adult, is called binary fission. The splitting of parental cell into 2 equal daughter cells, each of which rapidly grows into an adult, is called binary fission. There are 3 important examples of binary fission. The first is amoeba, second is paramecium, and third is euglena. Amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. Let us see the figure of binary fission. It is the figure of amoeba. Amoeba, it is the nucleus, and inside the cell membrane, outside the nucleus, the part is called cytoplasm. When the binary fission takes place, first of all, its nucleus divided into 2 parts, 2 nucleus, and then after that the cytoplasm is divided. After that, in one amoeba, parental cell divides into 2 equal daughter cells. This is called binary fission. So binary fission is found in amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. In euglena, longitudinal binary fission found. In paramecium, oblique or transverse binary fission is found, and in amoeba, irregular binary fission is found. The fission is binary fission 3 types: longitudinal, transverse or oblique, and irregular. In amoeba, irregular type of binary fission is found. In euglena, longitudinal binary fission is found, and in paramecium, transverse or oblique binary fission is found. Second type of fission is multiple fission. The definition of multiple fission is the splitting of parent cell into numerous daughter cell or more daughter cell, each of which grow into an adult, is called multiple fission. Example of multiple fission is plasmodium. This is the nucleus of plasmodium. This is the cytoplasm, and this is the plasma membrane or cell membrane. Inside the plasmodium, many daughter cells are formed. After that, the cell membrane or plasma membrane burst and daughter cells released and grows into new plasmodium. So this structure show the multiple fission in plasmodium. So multiple fission found in plasmodium and binary fission is found in amoeba, Paramecium, euglena. So there are 6 types of asexual reproduction. So we have been completed the fission. Next type of asexual reproduction is fragmentation. So fission means splitting of parental cell into 2 or more daughter cell is called fission. Binary fission and multiple fission. Example of binary fission: amoeba, Paramecium, and euglena. Example of multiple fission: plasmodium. Next heading is fragmentation. Fragmentation is a mode of asexual reproduction in which parental body breaks into 2 or more fragments, and each fragment grows into a new individual. The parental body breaks into 2 or more fragments, and each fragment grows into new individual. The example of fragmentation is fungi. Example of fragmentation is fungi, filamentous algae, and protonema of mosses. Example of algae is Spirogyra. We have already learned this example in class 11 first chapter living world. The example of fragmentation is fungi, filamentous algae, example is Spirogyra, and protonema of mosses. Let us see the structure of fragmentation. It is the example of Spirogyra. Spirogyra breaks into many pieces and many fragments, and each fragment give rise to new individual. So one Spirogyra breaks into more than 2 or 2 fragments, and each fragment give rise to new individual. It is called fragmentation. Next type of asexual reproduction is budding. Next type of asexual reproduction is budding. The definition of budding is mode of asexual reproduction in which one or more outgrowth are produced, which initially remain attached to parent cell and eventually get separated from parent to grow into new individual. I repeat the definition. It is mode of asexual reproduction in which one or more outgrowth are produced, which initially remain attached to parent cell and eventually get separated from parent to grow into new individual. The very important example of budding is yeast and hydra. The example of budding is yeast and hydra. Let us see the structure of yeast. It is the nucleus of yeast, cytoplasm, and vacuole. In one part, the small outgrowth is formed, and this outgrowth is called bud. Later, this outgrowth detach from the parent body and give rise to new yeast. The example of budding is yeast and hydra. Next type of asexual reproduction is regeneration. It is mode of asexual reproduction in which the missing part of an organism is repaired by proliferation of cell. I repeat the definition. The missing part of an organism is repaired by proliferation of cell. The example of regeneration is planaria. We have learned types of asexual reproduction. There are 6 types of asexual reproduction. 6 types of asexual reproduction. First, fission, fragmentation, budding, regeneration, spore formation, vegetative propagation. Fission means splitting. There are 2 types of fission, binary fission and multiple fission. Example of binary fission is amoeba, paramecium and euglena, and example of multiple fission is plasmodium. Fragmentation. Example of fragmentation is fungi, protonema of mosses and filamentous algae like Spirogyra. Example of budding is yeast and hydra, and example of regeneration is planaria.